So today we are going to learn about text normalization in NLP. What does it mean? Cleaning and converting text into a standard simple form so that computer can understand it easily. Means there is a text and it contains very unwanted things like symbols, punctuations, etc. So we should clean that and make it normal so that whenever we are going to computer, it can understand easily. For example, in simpler words we can say text normalization is equal to making the text clean, uniform and machine readable. Example, before normalization, if it is in uppercase and exclamations are there which are unwanted. Okay, after normalization, it will convert that uppercase into lowercase and it will remove the extra punctuations. What's the main importance of text normalization? It will improve the accuracy of the text, which will be helpful for NLP. Tasks like search, chatbots, sentiment analysis, and exam answers. These are the contents of text normalization in NLP. First one is tokenization. As we studied earlier, what does tokenization means? Means we are breaking a sentence into the small pieces. Those small pieces are called as tokens. For example, this is a sentence, I love NLP, and it will break into the tokens or words separately. I love NLP in commas. Next is segmentation, means dividing large text into meaningful units like sentences or paragraphs. Okay, if we are given a large sentence, the computer will divide it into two meaningful sentences. For example, if this is the whole sentence, I love NLP, full stop, it is very useful. What the NLP will do, it will segment this sentence into two forms. Like first, I love NLP, then it is very useful. Okay, next is stopword removal. What does stopword removal means? Stopword means the common words, like removing the unnecessary words that do not add any meaning. Like common words, is, and, are, the. These are not necessary in the sentence. So these stopwords are removed from the sentence to make the simpler sentence so that computer can understand. Example, I am studying NLP. In this, I and am are removed and only studying an NLP is stayed. So next content is stemming and lemmatization. Here is a difference in stemming and lemmatization, a very common difference. Okay, it is easy to understand. Let's see. Stemming means what? Cutting a word into its root form by removing the endings or suffixes. Means we have to remove the endings. So the root form will come there. But we have to understand the important point that root word may not be the real English word. Means there will be some mistake or error in the word. Okay, for example, this is the word studied, and if we remove the root form or endings, see, this is not the real English word. STUDI, this is not the real. And happiness, happy, these are grammatically wrong words in English. But in lemmatization, converting a word into its meaningful base forms or dictionary word means the output here are valid words. Okay, for example, studied, study, this is the correct grammatical word in English. Happiness, happy. This is a common difference in stemming and lemmatization. Here accuracy is very less, but in lemmatization the accuracy is more. So our next content is handling capitalization and handling punctuation. What does handling capitalization means? Means process of converting text into a uniform letter case, usually lowercase. Means there are capital words and we have to make it lowercase. Okay, for example like this, I love NLP and AI. These are the capital words. We have to convert it into lowercase letters like this. So means it will handle the capital letters. Next is handling punctuation. Process of removing unnecessary symbols from text. If there are unwanted symbols or punctuations in the text, computer can't understand those. So handling punctuation in NLP will remove those unwanted punctuations and symbols. For example, wow, this is with symbols and punctuations. Okay. So it will normalize the text without the symbols or punctuations from the text, removing those. Okay, this is the difference in handling capitalization and handling punctuation. So these are the contents of text normalization. Hope you understand the definition and the points we have covered in text normalization. So next we will see minimum edit distance in next lecture.